Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I arranged my cabinet in the bathroom. I have only one cabinet under the sink. I'm going to show you in the pictures to see what I have in here. And I'm going to take out all the products I have and tell you how I arranged them. Let's get started! I'm going to film from my own bathroom, my newly renovated bathroom. Yes. I'm going to show you how I can organize a lot of products in only one cabinet under the sink. It's a pretty small cabinet, and I can say that I have managed to put everything in there. It's more of a puzzle to put everything back, but still, you can fit anything in here. So, I'm going to show you what I have, what's the cabinet like. This is it. It's pretty small, as you can see. Before renovations, we had 3 plastic shelves with around 10 layers in total, and we kept our products out in the open. When we decided to renovate, one of the reasons was to place the products inside a closed cabinet, mainly for our baby when he starts walking, but it looks also better. We live in a flat with only one bathroom that is pretty small. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tricks that I use in organizing our bathroom. One of the things that you can never get rid of is wet cloths. You have to dry them and they look really ugly. The cabinet we bought from IKEA is aired inside, so I decided to buy a cloth hanger and place it inside the cabinet. Up here we will keep all cleaning products. This shelf is taller than the bottom one. Under the pipe we have a pretty small place. Here we will keep all the dry cloths and some toilet air fresheners. One thing that I like is keeping lady products at hand for me and for my guests. Lately, more restaurants started implementing this idea. The puzzle begins. I am arranging all cleaning products on the right side. I put the most used products in front for easier reach. I have some duplicates, like all-purpose clean bathroom and toilet disinfectant, that I place right in front of each other. We buy a lot of baby spinach, and sadly, it comes in plastic containers. At first, I started collecting them just because I was too upset to throw that much plastic away. I hoped I could get some use out of it. So my third trick is using baby spinach box for all small products in your cabinet. This black box used to be a mushroom box. Here is my stash of handmade soap. A few years ago, I used to have cystitis very often. It is a urinary tract infection, an inflammation of the bladder, and it happens when bacteria enter the bladder or urethra and begin to multiply. An old lady told me to use handmade soap to prevent it. Years after, by using it for every shower, I can say it worked for me. Sure disclaimer, I am not a doctor and you should not use it instead of your medicine or in case of an infection. For the bottom shelf products, I use a shoebox and some other box I had in the house. I like to place products in a box for easier reach. You get the box out and you look for what you need. You can keep other products behind the box. In our case, each month, we have to be able to reach the water counter that is behind our cabinet.
2 VCRs, 3 picture books, old newspapers and parachutes, camcorder captured love, life as it was when I was born, peering out to big skies by the ocean of my mind. I cleanse my spirit as it flies. Images of our lives, souvenirs of the soul, colors so warm, so bright. Images of heroes past, motion pictures on the wall, moments that meant so much. I stare at my own eyes, cool loving mother in paradise. Sky blue jacket, cobble roads, songs of the south, joys of old. And I guess I'm always ready to see the world the way it was. If only I could simply go back. Memories of our lives, souvenirs for the soul, colors.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find it useful. I also hope you like my bathroom, the design that I made here. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell button, and see you in my next video. Bye!